Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can log into your Facebook account. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and make sure that you have installed Facebook application on your mobile phone. Once it's done, go ahead and open up your Facebook application. So once you open Facebook, the user face will appear somewhat like this. So these are all the accounts that I have logged in previously on my mobile phone. So there is two options, either you can log into another account or create a new account. So here we are into login, so go ahead and tap on log into another account. Now the login form will appear somewhat like this. In the empty box, go ahead and type down your mobile number or email address and go ahead and type down your password. And once it's done, tap on login, and if you have forgotten your password, go ahead and tap on forgot password and reset your password. Once it's done, you are good to go. So this is how easily you can log into your Facebook account. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.